Good afternoon. This is the final response for Chapter 3 in the new Art and Science of Teaching. As I watched your videos, I noticed a lot of you talked about the interaction necessary for good direct instruction and just interacting with the students as the material is chunked and provided, and that interaction allowing them to show what they have learned. One thing that I thought about after listening to you and going through our videos is that it is going to be so important that we provide training for teachers so that they know how to use the time that they're given. For example, the middle schools in my district are on skinny blocks. Some of them have 40 minutes, some of them have 90 minutes to teach. And they're supposed to use their time allotted in certain ways in order to bring students to achievement. Our high schools have 50-minute classes, and we are preparing to move to a 90-minute block. And that's for all periods. An important task of administrators is just making sure that we have continual professional development for our teachers, and we're supporting them in knowing how to use the blocks of time that they're given. Chunking content is important for time spent on direct instruction, and I've seen teachers spend all 90 minutes of a class on direct instruction without incorporating any type of interaction, PBL, assessment. They just start at the beginning, they go all the way through, and expect students to grasp because nothing has been chunked and given to them in a way that they can learn. So as administrators, it's very important that we're mindful in classroom walkthroughs that teachers are managing their instructional time well, or are they in need of support, and then what type of support do they need in order to learn how to chunk their material correctly, allow students to process it and use it, and then go back and record where they are in the process. The implications for change that we read through in there, I saw where it signifies that well-designed instructional lessons need continual revisions, and this occurs with reflection. Teachers who are not reflecting are not going to revise their lessons. They're just going to continue teaching the same way over and over from year to year. So it's important that during walkthroughs, feedback is given, and evaluation, pre-post conferences, that we are talking about reflection practices, and making sure that our teachers are reflecting and making changes in order to receive optimal results in the classroom. We as teacher leaders will have to talk to our teachers about the reflections and ensure that that is a part of their common practice.